All right, guys, just pulled up. Let's go see what my Hardwood team has completed. All right, guys, Facebook, YouTube. My team has already sanded this floor, and then they applied a stain called dark walnut. And right now it's drying. It's absolutely beautiful. And then once this dries, they'll come back later this afternoon and apply polyurethane. And then tomorrow they'll come back and buff it and then apply another coat. So, yeah, guys, look at that. This pergola floor is awesome. Looks so good. And the client is actually on vacation, and when she comes back, she's gonna be blown away. She left the house open for us because we are gonna be here about a week. So we did it right here, and then that foyer over there, as you can see, the entry, and then behind this little Java bar here. And yeah, it looks good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some results. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and comment. All right, guys, this is the after work. As you can see, the floors are absolutely phenomenal. They look stunning. And this is the final results. This area here is dry. We did a little touch up over there. This is the dark walnut satin sheen, and our client absolutely loves it. And again, in fact, here's a little testimonial now.
I have no words. I walked in and it looks totally new. It's better than it was when I moved in, and I'm speechless. It's exceptional.
Awesome.
How it looks.
We appreciate that feedback. And again, guys, thanks for watching. And again, if you need your floors done, reach out and give us a call. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Absolutely stunning, guys. You can actually see them there. Beautiful.